What's good, guys? What's good? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today, and we're going to be talking about primates. They've been pumping. Been watching them for a while. I've actually been watching them since they started. I was looking to get one at 3 solana, 4 solana, and they just kept on pumping. They went up into the 30s, came back down. Over the past few days, they've been consolidating pretty well at 15. Went down to like 12, 13, and then now they're back up to close to 17. A lot of bullish information and news in the back of Primates. Look at this. This just posted not long ago. 1 month update. Since launching, Primates have done almost 300k Solana volume on Magic Eden. Although I'm mostly risk-off NFTs right now, I really like the project long term. Look at what they've done and what's to come. They are building a clothing brand and partnering with a lot of big names. If you just check out their Twitter. And a lot of people like the art. A lot of people really love the art, actually. Kind of like, the Bored Ape following. You got the Primates following. People keep buying them. They keep stacking. And because of this news, I got another one. I've been looking at it the other day. I thought it was going to crash a little bit more, but they just started getting eaten up. The floor just started, being swept. And let's actually take a look at it right now. Do a quick little refresh here. I'll just go to items. We'll do a quick refresh. The floor is at 16.4, 16.5 actually. Someone just picked the floor up. Let's go to activity. 9 minutes ago, 11, 22, 30 minutes ago, 2 hours ago. I actually just picked this guy up. Primate 3225. Kind of wanted to get that Tupac look. I've been looking for a bandana style like this, and he was all pink and he looked cool, and he was actually the cheapest one. If we go to search here for pink bandana, the next one is 17. And this guy, I was looking at him, it looked like he has a jail suit on. He's a tiger. I do have a tiger skin, but the other one looked a little bit more pimp to me, And then they go up to like 20, like really quick. You got 17, 19, 20, and then, they're priced pretty high. Some of these look really good, but I think mine looks aight. It looks aight, The glitch one is pretty cool for 100 though, And there's only this. There's not many listed. Does it show the amount listed? It doesn't. 3, 4, 5, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. There's 36 of them. And I actually do like the pink body on mine. So, it is what it is. Comment down below. Are you stacking these things? A lot of people are stacking Primates. What body is this? Intensities. I thought this was like a rock body, but I guess it's intensities. I haven't paid too much attention to the attributes. I just look at what I like and then I just get it. Excited mouth, pink bandana, striped jacket. I think the jacket's pretty cool. It was sold 25 days ago for 33 sol. This is the peak. This is the peak. I actually didn't even realize that. Let's go back in history here. So this is the very beginning. Yeah, so that's crazy. I got it at pretty much half the price. Half the price. Crazy. The guy basically lost money on it. Anyway, what is your feel on Primates? Like, comment down below. Let me know what you think. They got a lot of things going for them. A lot of people like them. And I just want to let you know that, hey, I just picked another one up. complete set. Look at this guy. He has a ton. Looking like a good day for Primates. Listing under 1.4 thousand with consistent sales. And let's see, 15.38 floor. Obviously, the floor is up more than that. On the way to 300K volume. On the way to 1,000 or less listed. On the way to 75 Solana floor price. Who knows what's going to happen, but I've seen it happen many times in multiple projects where the floor just pumps. I was in Catalina Well Club Mixer at the beginning. Yeah, I was buying and selling them in the teens, and then all of a sudden I got rid of all of them at a profit. I must have made like, I don't know exactly, maybe 20 sol, 30 sol profit, something like that. I'd have to check. And then I checked back a couple months later, and the floor is like 120 for Catalina. Well, they're actually creating a real, like, production, a movie production company. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. So yeah, pretty much it. Just an update video on Primates. Is Primates still alive? Let's see what people are saying. They actually did partner up with this Deegan coin flip site. It's like a gambling site for some streetwear designs. Somebody said yes. Sure, sir. Hi, fam. Yes, sir. We are excited to announce the official Primates Fashion X collaboration with Deegan Coin Flip. We might have something else coming down the road, so pay attention to Discord. So, you know, I haven't been in their Discord a lot. Been kind of peeking around back and forth, but I haven't spent a lot of time in the Discord. But it could be something. Mobile teaser for Primates DAO website launching very soon. Get your sub DAOs ready. This looks interesting. Primates retweeted Primate DAOs. I might want to follow this. So definitely some cool innovation going on with this project. Here's another one I really wanted to get, the Skelly head. The Skelly. Can't say no to this one. Yeah, I could have got one a couple weeks ago, like at a really good deal. Like it was in the teens for a nice Skelly head like that. I would like to pick a Skelly up. That's something I don't have. I have a couple cool ones though. I got the tiger skin. I don't have a glitch. But anyway, I think it's a really cool looking NFT. Like I would print one of these out and hang it in my living room. I have CryptoPunks printed and hung in like kind of near my kitchen. I got moonbirds. I got hash masks. I would put one of these up on my wall. They're really cool looking. You know, like pick the coolest one out of what I have. And yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, I'll just show you. So I got this one here. I think he's okay. He's not the best looking. I have one for sale. I should just delist it, but it's up for like 38. I call him Selvy, like Sylvester Stallone. Let's show you what I got right here. It's taking a little bit long. I hate when this takes so long to load. Okay, let's just look at listed items. This is the guy right here. Oh, this is another guy that I got. This is my first one that I got. He looks pretty dope. You know, looks pretty dope. And then my items. I don't know why my items aren't loading. Listed items load, but my items are not loading. Anyway, Crypto Richie here hanging out with you tonight. Here we go. Here we go. So these are the other three that I got besides the one you just saw. So this guy, he reminds me of Sylvester Stallone because he got that tactical suit. You know, he got that cigar, kind of grandpa-ish looking. you know. I think that was the second guy I got, and then I got the tiger. This guy's cool because they call me Tony the Tiger. I got a tiger tattoo, and he got the mechanic suit. I work on cars. I'm partially a mechanic, you know, and he got the Thug Life glasses. I kind of like that. This guy's pretty cool. So yeah, those are mine. I got 4 of them. I would like to get a Skelly, you know, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll just hold these. Hopefully they pump to 50 solana each. Then maybe I might liquidate a couple. We'll see what happens. Anyway, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you like NFTs, sign up to my crypto newsletter at cryptowaters.com by clicking over here in the card or down below in the description. Check it out. Website. We do, you know, alpha on NFTs, not just Solana, but on the Ethereum network. And we teach you how to make money with NFTs, you know, through investing in projects like this and just you know, investing in projects that have potential and just forgetting about it. And then you come back later and potentially you could make some pretty good gains. That's the idea. You know, don't freak out like a lot of people do after they buy it. The floor goes down a little bit, they panic sell and they lose money. You know, if you want to make money in investing, if you're going to invest in something, you have to hold through the dips. You know, you can't just panic sell. You're going to lose. You're just going to keep losing your money. You know, so when you invest, just don't invest in a bunch of stupid shit. Invest in things that have potential value and you see a community behind it. You see building, you see innovation. You know, it can't be dead. You know, you can't be investing in dead projects that die, or not die, but projects that are dwindling down, because you'll see it dwindle down quick if it's a scam project. You know, if it's a rug, you'll start to see things. But if you start to see people in the community always excited and new updates and the Discord popping, you know, Twitter, you know, Telegram, you know, whatever mediums they're using for communication, the more chances that it's gonna really pump. You know, it can pump. And we're in a bear market now. So imagine, I mean, these things are doing pretty good in a bear market. Imagine in a bull market. Oh my God, you know, people are gonna just go nuts. And I think it's a good time now because a lot of Solana's cheap, Ethereum's cheap. A lot of people can get coins a lot cheaper. You know, the barrier to entry now, a couple of months ago, Solana was trading at $250 a coin. You know, and for somebody to shell up 15, 20 Solana, it was a lot of money. Now it's like $35 a coin, you know, $38 a coin. More people are getting into the ecosystem now. I think now is a great time, especially for people who know the crypto ecosystem and how it will bounce back. People are just buying coins now, you know. So anyway, Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you like more of these videos, let me know. I'll make more. I'm just chilling. And yeah, just a quick little update on Primates. Talk to you soon. Peace.